IGBT has the highest failure rate. Today, I would like to show you the way to check the status of IGBT. The first step is we need to make sure our cell is well protected, which means we need to check the surface of our PPE to make sure there's no pinhole on the surface. The second step is we need to do the decommissioning of the vehicle. We turn off the vehicle and then we unplug the small battery. Then we need to open this power distribution unit to check the voltage drop. Now we need to check the voltage drop of the vehicle. We test the voltage drop. Now you can see the voltage level is 0, which means the vehicle is safe to be checked. Step 3, we need to cut off the power supply from the HV battery. So step 4, we need to open up the MCU, which stands for motor control unit. Now we open up the MCU. As you can see, here are the 2 lines from the HV battery. Here are the 3 lines which provides electricity to the motor. Now we need to unplug those cables. We unplug those cables from DC. Those are to the motors. So the next step is we need to switch our multimeter to the diode mode. As you can see, it's here. Now we test main positive and main negative. So as you can see, there's a reading from multimeter. Now the red probe means this is the negative side of the power source. The black probe is the positive side of the power source. Now we hold the red probe and then we use the black probe to check each of the IGBT. As you can see, there should be a reading and the reading should be all the same to the 3. Then we hold the black probe and use the red probe to check again. There should be a reading and the reading should be the same to the 3 of the IGBT. Then the last step is we hold the red probe and to check the IGBT again. There should be no number and it's the same to the 3 of the IGBT poles. So as you can see, IGBT is like a one-way road. You can only find out the voltage drop from one side and 0 reading from the other side. But if you find out the voltage drop from both sides or 0 reading from both sides, which means the IGBT has a problem. Follow me for more EV ongoing updates.